Okay.
Hello YouTube. This is Mr. Moco Customs. Previous video I did a quick walk around of this car, and now we're going to do a quick troubleshooting of the alternator. Mr. Moco Customs Jr. is shooting right now, and I'm glad he's home from college right now for a month, because he's getting the kinks out of this car for us by driving it. It wasn't driven a lot after we got it in January and then tagged it in March. This is very simple. This is your basic voltmeter. As you can see, there are about 11 volts in it. Should be about 12.6 when the battery is fully charged, and when the car is running it should be about 14. I'm gonna have him start the car right now. We already lost power steering because I think it must be electric. That's why it's lost. So he's gonna start it up. I'm gonna show you. The voltage is slowly dropping, which means the car is running off the battery right now and the alternator is not doing anything. Battery light is on. You can see it fluctuates a little bit, but 1043, 1042, 1041. We're slowly draining the battery because alternator is not doing anything, so it failed. Next video is going to be us tearing the car apart, getting to the alternator.